Hello everyone, MPX Auto, it's James. How are you today? In this video, we'd like to share how actually we install the custom built King's USB panels and your cigarette port that actually the customer brought in the panel and asked us for the installation at the back of the Hilux Ute 2019 model, and also install a dual LED light bar which stay there and stay there, and also with the switch here to turn on and off the light. So at this moment it's already been fixed there with the custom built base. So the wiring stay behind the panel and connect through the firewall of the body, and from there we run the wiring along the side of the body. Okay, it actually stay inside this section, inside this, and then go underneath the chassis, carefully go along the chassis, and then the main wiring for that one going up here into the battery section. Okay, it has 30 ampere fuse, and yep, that's exactly how we actually create and custom build the dual cigarette port and dual USB charger at the back end, and it show up the power level from battery as well. Yep, we had a good time to remove the top liner. It's very hard to remove the top liner cover in the Hilux, so we already made a video how to remove this top liner here, and you can check it in our YouTube. Okay, so here we go. It's about the system and all good. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.